Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, remove file type associations to default or none in Windows. File type is POW but it's open in Notepad. Click three dots, click Options, click View tab. Uncheck Hide extensions for known file types. Click Apply, click OK. Create new text file. Change to any name with any extensions. Click Yes to continue. Right-click POW extension file, click Open with, click Choose another app. Check Always use this app to open .pow files, click More apps. Click Look for another app on this PC. Select newly created text file. Delete newly created text file and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.